Number 5. Amazfit GTR 3. If you want a smartwatch that seamlessly fits into your life, consider the Amazfit GTR 3. The slim light design combined with its classic round watch look makes it appealing. This smartwatch does more than just tell time. It becomes a versatile lifestyle partner. Imagine a battery that lasts up to 21 days. No more daily charging frenzies, which is a huge plus. Tested it, and it delivered every single day, even with heavy usage. With just one tap, you can monitor heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, stress levels, and breathing rate. Efficiency meets accuracy in 45 seconds flat. What's impressive is the advanced health tracking. Sleep quality and female cycle tracking are both accurate and insightful. For fitness buffs, over 150 built-in sports modes cover almost every activity. The smart recognition of 8 sports modes saves you the hassle of manual selection, keeping things simple and effective. Built-in Alexa? Yes, please. Hands-free commands for those days packed with to-dos. Offline voice assistant works brilliantly where Wi-Fi can't reach. Heading for a swim? No worries, with water resistance up to 50 meters, this smartwatch dives right in. To top it all, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and QZSS satellite systems ensure your routes are always precise. One small downside is that syncing to the app can occasionally take longer than expected. It's manageable, but a tad annoying when you're in a rush. So the Amazfit GTR 3 packs elegance, functionality, and enduring power into a neat package. Check out this smartwatch for a lifestyle-worthy upgrade.